So here we are, Waskerly Way, Mark 1. Leon's hat, you think it's like selling eggs down the beach. I think looks okay.
Yeah, the eyebrows.
Because he didn't realise concerts in a different world. But this world, it's cold, it's miserable. That's why we're here. Waskerly Way concert. Then it's stand up 20 miles of hell. Come. Classic, you are here. When we go to the junction, go to Waskerly branch railway, we end up at the Waskerly Station picnic area. Do the Americana hobo dance for your dad. It's the halfway point, Waskerly Railway Cafe. And we're not going to Stanhope, it's too far. Thanks a lot. Food or chumps. Our little cabin in the woods. Fit me 25 years ago. So what's the banter now, Leon? Are we happy with the downhill section?
Yeah, it's downhill.
Give you a cigar. Even smoking cigars is such a downhiller. We couldn't do this 5 minutes ago because Leon was in trouble. We have some local concert people. Lock up your valuables. Go fast because the wheels could be off. There's the local reservoir, Waskerly Reservoir. Putin's coming to bomb it.